Here we are in lovely, lovely Connecticut. I've been driving since 11:30. It only takes 4 hours to get from New Hampshire to New Jersey. So 11:30, that'd be 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30. I should be home right now. This thing says 2 hours and 34 minutes. I'm debating on getting a hotel and just sitting around and eating popcorn for the rest of the day. I really don't want to, but I don't know. I wonder if it's doing this in New Jersey. People tell me it's raining in New Jersey. However, I'm in a freaking Arctic blizzard out here. Oh, how I miss you, New Jersey. My sweet, sweet baby.